superstars! Thank you for joining me in this video. This video is a beginner's guide to starting palm oil storage business in Nigeria. So many people reached out to me with an interest and desire to start a palm oil business in Nigeria, but they didn't know how to. They didn't know what to do and how to go about it. So I decided to come up with this video to give direction and clarity on what to do in order to start a palm oil storage business in Nigeria. So by the end of this video, you'll have clarity and direction on the things and what to do in order to start an effective and profitable palm oil storage business in Nigeria. All right, my superstars. You are welcome, my superstars, to this video. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. And if you're just joining us for the first time, you are welcome to this superstar family. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, let's continue. In starting a palm oil storage business in Nigeria, there are 3 things you need to consider. These 3 things, I categorize them into SSS. The first S is what I call the source of palm oil for storage. Before going into palm oil storage business, you need to know where you will source for your palm oil to store. You need to know the state and the local government in which you will source for your palm oil for storage. This is the first and most important thing you need to do when you are considering going into palm oil storage. You must have a source in which you will buy your palm oil from. And the next thing is you need to consider if you'll be buying directly from the palm oil mill, or if you'll be buying from your local market, or if you'll be buying from middlemen. These are the major things you need to consider before going into palm oil storage. You have to know the state you'll be buying your palm oil from, the local government, and you also need to consider if you'll be buying directly from the mill or from your local market or from middlemen. These are the things you need to consider before going into palm oil storage business. There has to be a source in which you will get your palm oil from for storage. In sourcing for palm oil storage, you also need to consider where you will get a good quality palm oil for storage. A palm oil that will not solidify, that will not change taste, that will not change color, that will not deteriorate in quality by the end of 6 to 9 months of storage. You need to consider this. You need to consider a source of palm oil that will stay for 6 to 9 months without deteriorating in quality in the course of storage. Okay, my superstars, if there's anything you have not understood so far, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And please, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever there's a new video. And please don't forget to like this video. Thank you. I mentioned that the last S is the most important S in palm oil storage business. So don't go away. Wait till you hear the third S of palm oil storage business. All right. The second S of palm oil storage business is what I call storage. Before going into palm oil storage business, you need to know where you will store your palm oil. You need to have a storage facility in which you will store your palm oil after sourcing and buying it from the mill, local market, or from middlemen. There has to be a place, a prepared place where you will store your palm oil in good and optimum conditions that will enable it to stay for 6 to 9 months without deteriorating in quality. And in storage, you also need to consider the means of transportation in which you will transport your palm oil from the source to your storage facility. You need to consider the mode of transportation in which you will transport your palm oil products, which you had sourced and bought from the mill, local market or middlemen to your storage facility. These parameters need to be put on check, and you need to cross all your T's before venturing into palm oil storage business. Okay, my superstars, now is the time. We are finally in the last S of palm oil storage business. I call the last S sales of palm oil stored. Sales of palm oil stored. Before venturing into palm oil storage business, before sourcing and before storage, you have to establish a market in which you will sell your stored palm oil product. There has to be a market. Before venturing into any business, you need to know who your customers are. You need to establish a target market, people you sell your stored products to before storing. There has to be a market so you can sell out your stored product and make your capital and profit. This is the most important key in all the S of palm oil storage business. There has to be a market. So the aim of doing every business is to make sales and make capital and profit. So without establishing a market to sell out your product, please make sure you don't invest your money in palm oil storage business. Alright, my superstars. If there's anything you have not understood in the course of this video, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And please like this video. Support your girl. Support me. Alright. Okay, in every business, you need to gain absolute and total knowledge. And you need a mentor, a coach, someone that will hold your hands and put you through every little detail of that business. That includes palm oil storage business. In order to succeed and make money in palm oil storage business, you need a coach, someone who has done it before, someone who knows everything about it. And if you don't have a coach, I am available. I'm available to give you expert tips and guidelines on how to store your palm oil effectively under optimum storage conditions and sell it out. If you need a coach, I'm available. You can send me a mail on idyzillion@gmail.com. idyzillion@gmail.com. I'm available for a one-on-one session to put you through on everything you need to know about palm oil storage business. But nonetheless, I'll still send it very important videos that will guide you through your palm oil storage business. Alright, my superstars, thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate every one of you. Until our next video, always remember that I love you.